Congratulations. Congratulations.
Hello?
You have won 20 million pounds. Congratulations. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, no, I have 1 million pounds.
20 million pounds.
20 million pounds.
Yes, you have won 20 million pounds.
Okay, who's it?
This is the Chinese woman who said you have won 20 million pounds.
Then I'm going to have it.
My name is Chinese woman who said you have won 20 million pounds.
With it.
It is Chinese woman who says you have won 20 million pounds.
Please hold the line.
Wait, we are now directing you to the person who is going to give you 20 million pounds. Beep, 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 beep. Hello, this is the other person. You have now won 20 million pounds. To receive your prize, please meet me at 23 Chinatown Restaurant, Chow, takeaway carry service.
What is the address?
23 Chinatown Road.
23 Chinatown Road.
In Chinatown.
Where is Chinatown?
In Chinatown in London. Please be there in tomorrow at 1 o'clock.
Okay, wait a second.
Pardon me? Do you want 20 million? Thank you.
Hello?
You have won 20 million pounds. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Hello?
You have won 20 million pounds. Congratulations. Hello? Hello?